Kakanhun Menteri Kalamanjur ya kajing penmena halorga Meglaya Epidemic Diseases Malaria Regulation Arhajar Arpuar kebanyat rengkat bat ke program Malaria Elimination Arhajar Kan Riau Arhajar Laipau jong Sorkar Pedeng. Banrat dengkong ya kajing pangkish ori. Menteri Rangba ulapan menaruh ban sedang ya ke State Literary Award ban ai kusnam gi Nongthoh Kot Khasi ki bathok ki Kot Khasi Garo. Bat kani kalong ru sibenta ban penklan ya kejeng dawa na ke Sorkar Pedeng. Ban penderong ya kaktian Khasi Bat Garo haga 8 schedule jonggariti sensyari. Ulong bagi Nongthoh Kot kini ya ke kusnam ke bakot silak tengka.
Meghalaya, the cabinet has also decided to come out with the state literary awards to authors. And this is being done as per our decision to ensure that we promote our own languages, especially our own indigenous language, which is Khasi and Garo language. And apart from the resolution that we had passed in order to push the government of India to include Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, and apart from other supports that we're giving to ensure that we promote the languages, this is one more step towards promoting our language, which is to now come out with an annual state literary awards for authors for local language, one award in Khasi and one award in Garo. And we're starting with a cash award of 1 lakh each